friends, how are you all? So in today's video, as you guys can see, the weather, it's so like it's about to rain. You see how trees are moving, and there we go, there it fell. And it was lightning right now. Yeah, you heard that, I guess. Look like, oh no. Oh, it lighted. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know why I'm on my, like, I shiver whenever. And over here, Maz or I think it's raining. It started raining right now, and Maz over there is playing with the drone. Show the drone. It's we just bought it, and we were just trying. And look, it's raining.
Emotional damage.
I guess you guys can see. Oh, I thought someone too. I'll just get off this grass because deers come over here and do their thing. So look, it's raining.
ये है ना ये ऊपर होता है इससे नीचे होता है
Look how fast it's raining. Look, I think you guys can see. Look how it looks from far away. Looks like it's like shivering. And guys, I just got my new glasses over here. It's kind of same, but I just got them from. The color is kind of like changed. First one was like light blue. This one is like totally white. Oh, it's raining. Oh, it's raining pretty fast. Friends, over here, Ma just got scared from the lightning. And over here, we put it this. I guess we called it bale. Bale burger in
Okay.
English. Bale in my language, in Urdu, it's called bale. Like it grows really big. Bale. It grows. Oh, it grows really big and like covers all the house, I guess. Look how it's. Oh my. Ay, ay. Bro. We just came home and Maz over here is what? Maz over here was crying because what? What?
हेलो भैया हेलो भैया
Stay in one place. Is it?
no
What? Friends, look what I just I got this from Pakistan. I didn't go to Pakistan, but someone was coming from Pakistan, so I told my auntie, she got me this mehndi, and it's a dark red color and I love it. I got some shoes, also some mehndi and some jewelry. I just showed you the jewelry. Wait, let me just put it over here. So this is the jewelry. I forgot what it's called. This one is so beautiful. I like this one. This is really cute. Really like this, and one over here. This. They all are really cute, and I got one ring too. I'll just show you that also. Guys, just comment to me if you like. I really like this one. So, and I think I'm gonna put some mehndi on because I was crazy for. Oh, it's lightning, and I was literally waiting for this mehndi like for 2-3 days, and finally it's here. Pakistani mehendis are like too big. I put it somewhere here, like at it, but Okay, let me just put it and then I'll show you. My mehendi is so dark. Like, look at the color of it. So cute. It's like over dark, I think. And look at the weather. It's raining so fast. Look at that. Like everything. And this. What are you doing? You know? And my father is literally sitting outside, like right over there. Oh, it's getting faster. Oh my god. Oh. I think you can see my father's leg right there. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can hear me. There, my father is here. You can't see this in the camera, but it's raining really fast. Like, look at this. Oh, it's all wet. Oh my god. Look at that. We bought an umbrella with me. And look at this. Look. Oh my god. He's over here enjoying, and look at him. Bro, what? The rain has stopped, but like it's raining, but like pretty slow. This is it for this video. And this video I showed you guys my mehendi, which is really cute. This one is really dark, and I showed you the weather of New Jersey right now, which is really cold, or like not cold, which is really wet. And I'm over here gonna sit in the swing. It started raining again. We were like oh my god, this is wet, but who cares, I'll just sit. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and Allah Hafiz.